Imagine you could visit anyone's LinkedIn profile, click View Contact Details to reveal their verified email address, and then with just one more click, you could add the lead directly into your Capsule CRM. Well, now there is. It's using a Chrome extension called LinkCapsule. And I'm just going to quickly show you how to get set up and adding leads and prospects into your Capsule CRM with just a couple of clicks. So once you've installed the Chrome extension, you're going to be redirected to the onboarding flow. But the first thing we always recommend is to just pin the extension to your toolbar. This just makes it much easier to use, and it's going to also show you when the profile on LinkedIn is already in your CRM. So yes, I've pinned it, and now I'm just going to sign up with my Google email address. And once that's done, the last thing we need to do is just to connect to the Capsule CRM. And you can do that in two ways, either using API keys in Capsule, or you can just click connect, and it's going to ask you to just approve access to your Capsule CRM instance. This just allows us to read and write the leads into your CRM. And that's it, we're now set up. So now we can go to any LinkedIn profile and start adding them to our Capsule CRM. So the first person we go to is myself, but it shows a green tick, and that just means that I'm already added into my CRM, and I can just click through and see the correct record there. But if we have someone new who's not in our CRM, it's going to show you this L, and when you click the L, it's going to reveal all the contact information and job title, company, etc. And with just one click, we can add them into our Capsule CRM. So there you go, 2 minutes to get going. It's going to save you many hours per week. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and the link to install LinkCapsule is in the description of this video. All the best.